how to lock an album in the Samsung Galaxy phone gallery without using additional apps. So in order to do so, you may follow up this step. Head over to your gallery, and after opening up gallery, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom and a menu opens up. Now from the given menu, select the option called settings and then open up your gallery settings. Now from gallery, scroll down and go to about library section. And after that, you may tap on this version of your gallery until you find that your gallery labs has been enabled. So go ahead and tap on this version section. And once your gallery lab is enabled like this, in the last option you'll be find it, tap on gallery labs. And from there, you'll be finding option called album entry locks. So all you gotta do is simply turn on this option. You may go ahead and read the limitations of this feature and tap on OK. Like this. So go ahead and read. After that, click on OK. Once that is done, head back. And after that, you may restart the gallery app. And then once you are there, you may long press on the album that you would like to lock. For example, this one right here. After that, tap on the more option in the bottom right. And then tap on log album option. Once that is done, you should be finding that your album has been locked in your Samsung Galaxy device. Once that is done, you should be finding that your album has been locked in your Samsung Galaxy phone. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.